Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're joining us for the first time, kindly subscribe. So I was actually having a conversation with my friend, and then during the conversation she asked few questions, and she was like, I want to see my reply on your YouTube channel, and she's not someone I can say no to. So today I'll be answering her question. So the thing is that if you've been taking antibiotic after having pleasures, please stop. Like, stop. It's not good. There's something we call antibiotic resistance. When your body stop responding to all the antibiotics, what are you going to do after them? So if you've been taking antibiotics immediately after every pleasure, please stop. If you went raw and you're not really sure of what you've contacted or not, kindly visit the hospital or kindly go to a pharmacist and explain. Or better still, you can wait till you start seeing symptoms, then you go straight to the pharmacy or hospital. Don't collect advice from your friends. Maybe somebody will tell you, this same thing happened to me and this was what I took, and then you go and take it. No, it's wrong. You might have the same symptoms, but you may not be suffering from the same thing. So please kindly visit the hospital or kindly talk to the pharmacist. And if you're going to take antibiotic, don't just take one and stop. You have to complete the dose so your body doesn't stop responding to antibiotics sooner or later. Then secondly, as a lady, immediately after having pleasure, if it is raw, rush to the bathroom after everything. Rush to the bathroom. You can just, should I say, bend down or squirt there for a while. Then you wash up also. When you're washing up, do not put your finger inside. Nah, this is it. You just wash round. Just wash it round and wash the surface. Do not go inside. Don't go deep. Don't go inside. You can contact infection by doing that. I know you might be thinking you want to bring out the stuff that has gone inside, but no, that's wrong. Just wash round. For taking care of the stuff, you can take pills. You can go to the pharmacy and get pills you can take, not antibiotics. Contraceptive, that's what you would take. And if you're not comfortable with taking pills all the time, because yeah, it is not even advisable to take those pills, especially postinor or post pill, more than once or twice in a month. So if you're not comfortable with that, you can easily just get what's it called, family planning. You can either take an injection for it or the insert, or better still, you go for the everyday pill. With that, you're sure of not getting pregnant. But still, you have to be careful because it's not just pregnancy. We run away from so many other stuffs like infections and all of that. Then one thing most ladies don't know is that it's actually very good to urinate immediately after having pleasures, especially if it's raw. Try your possible best to urinate, like try. Just try and urinate. If you're not sure you're going to feel pressed after having pleasure, try drinking water before then, so that maybe after then you would feel the need to do so. But actually, every time you have pleasure and it's raw, make sure you try urinating. Make sure you urinate. Make sure you wash up. Wash up well. Remember, do not put your hand inside. Wash up, wash the surface and wash round. Wash up well. Then if you are to use contraceptives, use, but do not use antibiotic. Before you use an antibiotic, make sure you've done a test or you've spoken to a pharmacist or you've seen a doctor. And if you're even going to use contraceptive like postinor, post pill, poster, and all of that, make sure it is just twice in a month. Make sure it's twice in a month. Make sure it's no more than 2 times, 3 times in a month. It's very bad actually. If you're going to be having pleasures all the time, it's better. It's safe you stay on family planning. If you're not going to remember to be taking the pills every day, go for the inserts or go for the injection. If you're old enough to have pleasures, you should be old enough to go for family planning. Then when you know you're ready to settle down, you can now stop the family planning or take the family planning out. But I should advise you before going for family planning, just make sure your body is ready for change. Because most people after family planning, they go bigger than their normal self. You might be lucky to go big back and front or everywhere. I don't know, but just make sure you're ready to go big. Any other question or anything you feel I've not said, or anything you have been wanting to ask concerning pleasures and all of that, please feel free to leave it in the comment section and I would respond to everything. Thank you. Have a nice day. And please kindly subscribe to our channel if you've not. Thank you. Bye. Wait. I am not advising you to go raw. I'm only saying if you must. These are some of the things you have to do after going raw. But I am not advising or encouraging you to go raw, especially if you're not married. I am not advising you. I'm only telling you these are the things you should do if eventually you forget. Because yeah, it's sweeter raw than protection, but what about the consequences? So if you must, these are the things you should do. Stop taking doxycycline immediately after having pleasure. Talk to a pharmacist or talk to a doctor first before taking any antibiotic. Make sure you talk to a professional in that field before taking any antibiotics.